In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your low beam bulb on your Toyota Camry. It's located on your headlight under the hood. I'm going to remove our bulb by turning it to the left and pulling it out. Now we're going to disconnect it. To do that, you're going to push in on this button here and remove the bulb. Now we have our new bulb. Put in the harness, make sure it locks closed. Put it in the headlight assembly. Line up the 3 tabs on the bulb and twist it in.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.